and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very warm welcome to this special afternoon of nostalgia and joy. Today, we have gathered here to witness the magical journey down the lane. We have been waiting a long way for this alumni meet called as the Chronicles. My name is Rajesh Pramod and I am absolutely thrilled to be your host for this incredible afternoon. So it is my pleasure to see all of you reunited here once again at our very own Gibbs. Today is all reconnecting and reliving those golden days. याद है वो कैंटीन की चाय, वो क्लास में बैठ के मोबाइल चलाना, वो कुछ टीचर से डांट खाना, और जैसे हम क्लास में डिसिप्लिन स्ट्रीट करते थे वैसे यहाँ पे डिसिप्लिन स्ट्रीट करते। But I've seen one thing. Some of the alumni, हमारे प्यारे बच्चे, उनके कंधे थोड़े से झुक गए, शक्ल में थोड़ी सी मैच्योरिटी आ गई। कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि something now they are feeling। तो दो लाइनें फिर से। मेरे दिल के किसी कोने एक मासूम सा बच्चा, बड़ों की देखकर दुनिया बड़ा होने से डरता है। So let's once again start our own childhood days at Gibbs, the Chronicles. Mrs. Prasishindar, our director sir, Professor Dr. Vikas sir, and our fellow teachers to Chronicles 2024, 2024। तो सबसे पहले हम शुरू करते हैं with the procedure of पहले भगवान का सिमरन करते हैं। So may I take this privilege to invite our director sir, respected dean ma'am, for the lamp lighting ceremony. May I request
गजाननं भूत गणादि सेवितं कपित्थजम्बू फलसार भक्षितम्।
And thank you, my dear fellow alumni. भाई साहब, आप प्लीज एक बार बताएं, मैं आपको कब से ढूंढ रहा हूँ। हाँ, प्लीज। Do you have red mic? Red mic है ना? आप।
Hello.
Sorry, मेरे को सिखा दो। The guy I still remember has got a very beautiful voice. मैं काफी साल तक इसकी आवाज सुनता रहा और सोचता रहा इतना अच्छा कैसे गाता है। दो लाइन बस, दो लाइन।
Sir, practice is waiting. प्रैक्टिस चल रही है बट प्रैक्टिस नहीं
कोई
है।
नहीं, let it be.
तो सर कैसे भाई? ऑल गुड? बिल्कुल शान से बैठा है, कोई बातचीत नहीं है, कोई पीछे हम सभी ने वाले हैं, चले जाए गो अभी तो गा देता हूँ बट मैं इतना अच्छा गाता नहीं हूँ पहले जैसे। हो जाता है, टाइम हो जाता है एक चीज़ को, तो आप में भी बढ़ जाते हो आगे उस चीज़ से, एंड ऐसे ही है। प्लस गिटार भी नहीं, आज गिटार है किसी के पास? नहीं होगा।
तुम्हारी आवाज ही इतनी अच्छी है।
अरे सर प्लीज सर आप ज्वाइन कर लो मेरे को। ओके पहले मैं सोच रहा हूँ मुझे गाना क्या है। कोई पुराना सा गाना गा देते हैं। मेरे अंबर पर चाँद जलाए, प्यार बरसाए, कोई प्रेमी हो, कोई साथी हो, मेरा नहीं है सर वो।
किसका है?
लेकिन करने सर वो
मेरा काम होगा। हर स्टेप पे अपने टीचर्स को इतना कुछ सिखाया। So I'm really thankful to all the alumni members over here, जिन सबसे हमने कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सीखा। हाय सर।
बस गाइए मत तो एक्टिंग कर ले, सिंग कर ले भाई, सिर्फ लिपसिंग कर सकते। बता दे गाना यार, मेरे को आ नहीं रहा भाई, एक बार से करने में झुकी तेरी पलकों पे मिल जाए मुझे बना, दिल के गिरे आंसू बने रह जाए मेरे निशान, तेरे की पर फिक्र में बंदा बन जा मेरा मेरे निशान, मेरे निशान, मेरे निशान, मेरे निशान, 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 मेरे निशान, 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 मेरे निशान, 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 मेरे निशान, तुझको कदर रह जाए मेरे निशान।
जब मैं कॉलेज में आया था और मैं पहली बार इसे मुझे से मिला, तो ये दो गाना गा रहे थे। एंड मैं एक चीज़ कहना चाहूँगा कि सिर्फ इनके पूरे टाइम में नहीं, अगले 50 साल 100 साल तक भी सही भाई के निशान इस कॉलेज में रहेंगे, कि जो उन्होंने अभिनय क्लब में किया है, मेरे को तो नहीं लगता शायद मैं या और कोई कर पाएगा। सो थैंक यू।
Sharing with you very honestly, this thing was not scripted. हमें नहीं पता था कि हमारे बालक यहाँ आए, हमें नहीं पता था कि यहाँ बैठा हुआ, और मैं इसको अचानक all of a sudden वो आया, and he comes. This is why we are called as Gibsians. That's the spirit of our Lord. Not from formal. Let me be a bit formal now. Gibbs has been running since 2004. We have won several awards. Do I speak like something formal? No. We all know what Gibbs is. We all know our achievements. We all know our reputation. and we all know what we are capable of. हमें पता है कि गिब्स में हमने क्या किया है और गिब्स ने हमारे लिए क्या किया है. But still, we need a formal introduction of everything. May I invite our respected director sir to give the achievement for GIBS for the last 1 year.
Thank you, Mr. McCall. Very heartiest welcome to DL Alma Mater. I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Vice Chairman, respected Dean Madam, who is always a backbone when it comes to alumni, the Chronicles, whether it was 2023 or it's 2024, and there will be many more years when we are going to meet again and again. I'm happy to share a few achievements of the institution. Though you have been achieving quite a lot in your life, and I hope that you are doing good as far as your professional career is concerned, your personal life is concerned. But every year we want to meet because we want to greet. We want to greet you for your achievements. We want to congratulate you for your achievements in your professional life. And Chronicles give us that opportunity that we can talk to each other in an informal manner, because we have been talking formally in the classes, but this is one event where we can talk informally and we can understand what we have been doing in your life and how the institution has been doing as far as its education journey is concerned. So let me take this privilege of sharing few of the achievements of the institution. You would also like it, and I think when GIBS name is associated with you on your degree, it's always better that we understand what the college is doing. So Geeta Rattan International Business School started integrated MBA in this academic session. We also started LLM with an intake of 60 each in integrated MBA and LLM. So that's adding 2 more postgraduate programs in the basket of programs that we have been already offering. So that's one new addition that we have done. Apart from this, some of you who had done BBA LLB or BA LLB, now the word honors have been added with that degree. So the degree has been upgraded by the university, and we have also upgraded the degree. So that's 2 improvements that have happened as far as the field of law is concerned, and there are 2 postgraduate programs that we have added as far as management and law is concerned. So that's an achievement, and I hope that you being our brand ambassadors will communicate this to the outer environment of what new we are offering now. Our steadfast commitment to excellence in education has yielded significant achievements. And in this year, in March, 8th and 9th of March, we again faced the 3rd cycle of NAC, and this time we were able to increase our score from 3.14 to 3.18, and our grade is NAC A. So in the 3rd cycle also, we have been able to maintain a good grade as far as NAC accreditation is concerned. Our engagement with the international institutions has flourished, with 10 MOUs signed in 2023 alone, including noteworthy collaboration with the Vietnamese universities, underscoring our commitment to global partnership. So as the name suggests, we are international in nature, and we are now becoming global in nature as the name goes. Our dedication to community service is vividly apparent through our NSS unit. When you were there, NSS was there, but now we have 2 units of NSS within the institution, and the second NSS unit within the Geeta Rattan International Business School is looking after the Ekta camp, which is a village slum, and many of you have been contributing well, and the legacy is being continued by your juniors as far as Ekta camp is concerned. There have been significant commendable rankings in quality assessment surveys, including we have got BBA institute in India by securing #1 rank and also securing coveted positions in MBA rankings. We take immense pride in the accomplishment of our Vice Chairman, Shri Anirudh Jindal ji, who was bestowed with the prestigious ET Leadership Excellence Award 2023, and our Dean Madam, Ms. Prachi Jindal, who was honored with the ET Excellence Award for Corporate Affairs and Higher Education. So these are some of the two achievements by our noted management members. There have been significant improvement in the placements, and this time the average, the highest pay packet had been 20 lakhs per annum. And when you people are here, I would like to make one announcement and one request to all of you, that since you have already begun your career in professional life, why not to help your juniors by coming back and assisting them in either the placement or the summer internship. Because we believe that alumni is always there to understand what the institution is all about, and whatever hurdles you face, you can again go in for removing those hurdles as alma mater for your juniors. And that's how the journey of the institution goes, and it becomes more and more stronger when its alumni becomes more and more stronger, and it becomes bigger in size. So 10 years down the line, we are going to have a good base of alma mater, and if alma mater is doing good, I hope the institution is bound to get benefited by the name of our alma mater. So you are always welcome to contribute in that way. One important announcement which I would like to make as far as the alumni body is concerned, we are now registered, and our alumni body is registered by the name of Geeta Ratan International Business School.
जो नहीं मुझे तेरा से तलवारी, मुझे ही तो देख के कौरव की फौज हारी। जैसे लोशन खुशबूदार, दिलों से बड़ा नहीं रे सारी दुनिया में, ऐसा कोई नाम नहीं रे। दिलों से बड़ा नहीं रे सारी दुनिया में, ऐसा कोई नाम नहीं रे। दिलों की बंटी जैसे साइकिल की घंटी, बंटी की सैंडल जैसे साइकिल का हैंडल। जैसे साइकिल की घंटी, बिल्लू की बंटी जैसे साइकिल की घंटी। नजर हमार बिल्लू पैडल तो मार, बिल्लू हमारा चला पैडल तो मार। बिल्लू से दुनिया में ऐसा कौन नाम नहीं रे। बिल्लू से बड़ा नहीं रे सारी दुनिया में, ऐसा कौन नाम नहीं रे। Bilu
भाई मिडिल डाउन कर लीजिए पैर बीच के लिए बनाइए ये वाली नीचे इसको अपलोड अरे दोनों सारा टाइम टाइम पे लगते रहना टाइम टू टाइम अपलोड करने के लिए रहता है भाई
तो बिल्लू खो गया है?
जी सर, बिल्लू खो गया है हमारा।
तो बिल्लू का रंग क्या है?
सर पूरा है मेरे बिल्लू का रंग, तो ढूंढ दो सर प्लीज उसे।
लगता है बिल्लू से कुछ ज्यादा ही प्यार करते हो।
जी सर, बेटा है हमारा वो।
ये आजकल के लोग बिल्लू को भी बेटा मानते हैं।
हाँ सही, आजकल के हाईफाई लोग।
सर कुछ करो, मेरा बिल्लू भूखा होगा, उसे भूख भी बहुत लगती है। मैं तो उसके लिए मोमोज और समोसे भी लाई थी।
बिल्लू ये सब भी खाता है?
हाँ जी सर, उसका फेवरेट है।
भाई ये आजकल के बिल्लू को क्या हो रहा है जो केके खाने लग रहे हैं? हमारे जमाने में तो बिल्ली से दूध पिया करते थे।
हाँ सर।
सर कुछ करो ना जल्दी प्लीज।
देखिए हम आपकी कंप्लेंट को क्या होता है
एनिमल कंट्रोल जी, एनिमल कंट्रोल।
एनिमल कंट्रोल को फॉरवर्ड कर देंगे और जल्द से जल्द बिल्लू को ढूंढ के ले आएंगे।
पर सर एनिमल कंट्रोल क्यों?
वो इन मामलों में एक्सपर्ट है।
लेकिन अगर वो बिल्लू को ढूंढेंगे तो आप क्या करोगे? कुत्तों को ढूंढोगे?
नहीं नहीं जी, वो कुत्तों में या बिल्लों में कोई भेदभाव नहीं करते, है ना?
कुछ करो जल्दी, मेरा बिल्लू ढूंढ दो।
अरे आप टेंशन मत करो, मैं जल्द से जल्द बिल्लू को ढूंढवा दूंगा। अभी कॉल कर एनिमल कंट्रोल को।
अभी करते हैं सर। वो कोई बिल्लों में कुत्तों में कोई भेदभाव नहीं। बिल्ला लाइज मैटर जी, अजी ऑल लाइज मैटर। पर सर बिल्लू बेटा है मेरा, इंसान है वो। ये देखिए उसकी फोटो, देखिए देखिए सर। बेटा उनका इंसान।
आप टेंशन मत लीजिए, इसे आप पूरी डिटेल दिखाओ, ये जल्द से जल्द बिल्लू को ढूंढ जाएगा। ठीक है?
नाम क्या है तुम्हारा?
नाम बिल्लू दीनानाथ चौहान। बाप का नाम बिल्लू के पापा दीनानाथ। माँ का नाम बिल्लू की मम्मी दीनानाथ चौहान। गाँव सड़क पे सड़क इंडिया में। उम्र 5 साल 6 महीने 2 दिन। बोलो अंकल, ढूंढ पाओगे नहीं मम्मी पापा को?
ढूंढ देंगे भाई, ढूंढ देंगे।
रहने दो अंकल, आपसे कुछ नहीं होगा, बिल्लू खुद ही ढूंढ लेगा अपने मम्मी पापा।
चलिए जी, बिल्लू को बिल्कुल ढूंढेंगे। ढूंढेंगे।
ना जुदा होंगे हम, कभी खुशी कभी गम।
और मैं उन्हें ढूंढ ना पाऊं ऐसा मैं होने नहीं दूंगा।
बिल्लू भयंकर हमरे सान सान ऐसी शानदार कभी दाएं पलटता बिल्लू कभी बाएं पलटता बिल्लू कभी तुम्हारे का है मुंडी का लट्टू बिल्लू 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 से बड़ा नहीं रे सारी दुनिया में ऐसा कोनो नाम नहीं रे बिल्लू से बड़ा नहीं रे सारी दुनिया में ऐसा कोनो नाम नहीं रे।
बंद करो ये ढपोल शान ससुर तब से ढपक ढपक लगा रखा है बंद करो ये नौटंकी
May I request all the members to stay over here for a while. कृपया कुछ क्षणों के लिए यहाँ पर उपस्थित रहें। Perfectly synchronized camera by Vinod. Please give them a big round of applause. So may I request all the other members to come on the stage to have a group photograph.
अच्छा था
कृपया अभिनय क्लब के सभी सदस्य स्टेज पर प्रस्तुत हो ताकि सामूहिक फोटोग्राफ ली जा सके। May I request the film team to take their group photograph?
ओके सर आपकी फोटोग्राफ खड़ा करूँगा उसको सही आ रहा है हाँ वीडियो फोटो ले लिया जियो टैग ले ले भाई
सवारे बोलो चीज थैंक यू भाई
Once again, a huge round of applause.
मेघम को बुलाइए मेघम को बुलाइए मेघम मेघम इधर आ नेता बन रहा क्या पूरा
I request all the members who are standing at the gate to be seated properly. सिला जुटा ही नहीं। Rest, I'll continue. But one very important thing all of you, शाहरुख खान ने कौन सा डांस किया था चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में?
पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है।
तू जानू मानू जो कहता है बीवी तेरी हूँ लगता है सामे और सामे मैं सामी सामी जो कहती हूँ मर्द मेरा तू लगता है सामे और सामे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलो जैसे तेरे पीछे पीछे चलो जैसे मंदिर की सीढ़ी पे चढ़ो सामे तेरे बगल बैठूं ऐसे जैसे शिव के बगल गौरी मोर सामे
जहाँ तक मुझे याद है, both these have been the dancing stars of the college. मुझे ऐसा कुछ याद है. They choreographed several events, they participated in several events. हमें हमारे कॉलेज की जान हुआ करते थे. कितने लोगों को याद है? कुछ है? So anyhow, so what is your opinion about this dance now?
I am very impressed actually by the dance. We were actually discussing before that the डांस का लेवल हमसे हमारा तो कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है. मतलब these people were very nice. मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं है, जब मैं खड़ी हुई थी तो मैं देख रही थी, स्टैंडर्ड्स आर टू हाई, हम लोग मैच ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, द एनर्जी एंड एवरीथिंग. आई वांट द वीडियोस टू पोस्ट बाय द वे, एंड कुडोस टू एवरीवन हु परफॉर्म्ड. आई एम वेरी वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड. मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
Not just Mudra Club, I would like to take this moment to congratulate Abhinay Club. They were amazing. It was one of the best act that we have ever seen. You know, being in the college and then in alumni. So kudos.
एक बार डांस करेंगे साथ.
बुला लो.
Come on, dance a big man. किधर लाएंगे है? मुझे कौन सा आता है? So, give the ball a very big hand.
तू ले रहा है? बता. तू भी ले लिया.
Can I request the friends left today group photograph please? आप लोग की ग्रुप फोटो ले लेना. Now, it's the time we all have been waiting for. We all have been waiting anxiously for the Alumni Awards. Today, we'll recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of our fellow alumni who have made us proud in various fields. The reunion wouldn't be complete without acknowledging and celebrating your success, our success, because your success is directly or indirectly our success. Once a student becomes successful, the head of a teacher rises and we feel really very proud. They are now request Director sir and respected team men to come over the stage. Please give a huge round of applause to team member and director sir. So before I announce the awards, there's a big surprise for everyone. Something which we have preserved for a very long time. It is the inaugural cover of Dharohar. Give them a big round of applause. It is the first edition of GIFT Alumni Annual Magazine. The cover looks amazing. Let me welcome Professor Suman, the head of IIPC, who will give the sneak peek into what Dharohar is all about.
It's a matter of immense pleasure and delight for all of us today to have an exclusive first look at the cover of our alumni magazine, Dharohar. The title Dharohar is a Hindi word that translates to heritage or legacy in English. It evokes a sense of pride, tradition, and the enduring values that are passed down through generations. Naming the alumni magazine Dharohar signifies a deep connection to the institution's rich history, culture, and the collective achievements of our alumni. It reflects the idea that the knowledge, experiences, and success of the alumni are a treasured legacy contributing to the ongoing growth and evolution of the institution. This premier issue of Dharohar will be a vibrant celebration of our accomplished alumni, featuring insightful profiles that will highlight their recent achievements, career milestones, and personal journeys. You will enjoy exclusive interviews and compelling stories, complete with striking photographs illustrating the path they have solemnized and the wisdom they have gained along the way. You will stay informed with our campus news and updates, where we will share the latest advancements at our institution, including innovative programs, exciting campus renovations, and significant convocations. You will catch up on recent alumni events and reunions with engaging recaps and photographs, and learn how you can participate in future gatherings. Our alumni contribution section will shine with a spotlight on those giving back to gifts. From philanthropic efforts and fundraising campaigns to the impactful ways alumni are supporting us. Our alumni will also offer valuable career advice, from job search strategies to networking tips, and showcase initiatives that will bridge current students with alumni through mentoring and internships. Finally, our social media coverage will highlight recent mention of our institution, alumni, and faculty in the news, reflecting our collective impact and ongoing influence. The alumni will be invited to make contributions to their own magazine in the form of articles, advertisements, and interviews. We intend to release the first edition of this magazine by the end of December 2024. Additionally, the Alumni Association will share the link with each one of you so that you all can make significant contributions to Dharohar. So, witness the magic unfold this December. Prepare to inspire and be inspired. Further, I would like to mark this special occasion with a short poem. From campus halls to global heights, our alumni's journey a beacon of light. In every story, a dream unfolds. In every achievement, the future holds. As chronicles gather, past and new blend, in Dharohar, our legacies transcend. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonia. Now is the time for alumni awards. May I now call upon the stage Mr. Param Bhamra. Param Bhamra. He is the founder partner of Media Group, and he has been established himself as one of the best entrepreneurs for this particular session. So he's getting Entrepreneur Achievement Award. Give him a big hand. Thank you, madam, and once again, congratulations. 2020. He has been the founder of Freelance Mantra Private Limited and is given the Entrepreneur Achievement Award. Then we have what is Shivam Jindal. Shivam Jindal is one of the oldest employee of GIPS. Sorry, oldest alumni of GIPS. I'm so sorry. So Shivam is given award for his EY appreciation, and he is getting the Distinguished Alumni Award. Give it again. Next we have what is Suraj Verma. Suraj has completed his MB in 2018. Suraj has received Emmy Award for Ability Prize Finance. He is getting Distinguished Alumni Award. Congratulations, Suraj. Then we have got is Khyati. Khyati Agarwal. She has achieved outstanding contribution for consistent contribution in KPMG. So she is getting Distinguished Award. Give her a big hand. I feel like I'm calling the names of my family members, sir. Suraj, Khyati, Pinky. Pinky, sir. So, Pinky, 2019 batch has got Deputant Award and multiple awards. Well, counting is a little difficult, but she is now receiving the Distinguished Alumni Award. Give her a big hand. Once again, congratulations, Pinky. Shiza Siddiq. Shiza is there?
Yes, she does.
Hi, Shiza ji. Shiza कौन सी कंपनी में काम करती है कैसेस? Shiza के और मेरे अलावा किसी को नहीं पता. Shiza is actually getting the award for promotion from Lenskart. She is getting the Young Alumni Service Award. One second, congratulations. मैं आऊँगा एक दिन चश्मा लेकर. Priyanshu is here. Priyanshu Tanma. आइए. Priyanshu has recently completed his BBA. He has completed BBA in 2021. और ये कौन सी कंपनी में है? ये बताओ. He is in ICICI Prudential and he has been promoted over there. He is also getting the Young Alumni Service Award. ताली तो जाओ. शेजल कामरा. इसको तो बात हम तब देने में पर दोबारा आंसर कर देता है. So she is multi-talented. Multi-talented is that she herself is promoting Rapper Diamond. It is an independent firm being run over there, and she is also getting Young Alumni Service Award. डांस तो कर देखो. अब ठीक. मेरे स्कूल में दोस्त था एक. उस दोस्त का नाम था दिनेश. पूरा नाम दिनेश बुद्धि राजा. वो लड़का हमेशा मेरे से ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट था. हमारे पास यहाँ भी एक बुद्धि राजा है. कहाँ है हमारा बुद्धि राजा? So let's start now. Buddhi Raja hai. Chalo Buddhi Raja. is having her own YouTube channel. With subscribers कितने हैं? Last जो counting मुझे पता कि वो 3 लाख subscribers थे. YouTube independent channel. Here, very big. She is also getting significant achievement award.
How many of you are following Kavya? Being Krishna conscious? 3 of you. Only 4? Because all of us follow Kata. Yeah. And in 3 are following. Really? Ma'am, there are 2 students who are on the way.
दो बालक रास्ते में हैं. So, may I request everyone to give a big round of applause to respected Dean Ma'am and Director Sir for helping us conducting this event and for providing the way out to all of us, teachers, students, staff members, that we are here together. Thank you once again, Dean Ma'am. Thank you once again, Director Sir. Now may I request all the alumni award holders to kindly come on the stage for a group photograph. जितने लोगों को अवार्ड मिलेंगे
Please don't stop.
Thank you once again, everyone.
वो हमें सबसे पहले वो दिखा देगा, वो मैं दे रहा हूँ. इसमें 5 राउंड है. उसके लिए मैं So let's start with the game. So first round, we want to see who has the maximum Instagram followers. Yes, ऐसे बोलो. पर किसी का होगा. Maximum Instagram followers.
I've got maximum YouTube followers for sure.
Instagram.
Not sure what Instagram.
Just check.
या मेरे 30 something ऐसा कुछ.
क्या पता सबसे आप ही हो.
मैं एक बार चेक करूँ. Everyone check your Instagram.
Anybody more than 600? 36.2 K.
Yeah, 36.2.
Anybody more than that?
She's the winner.
Anybody?
Declare as the winner.
So it's final. So it's Kavya for the first round for maximum Instagram followers. 32.6 followers.
Thank you. This is the easiest achievement. Absolutely.
So for the next round, it's a physical photograph of your parents, like a passport photograph of your parents. Anybody? We have 2 people. No, it's not on phone. Physical photograph.
उसके बाद
We have a winner for the round. What's her name? Shiza. Please come.
पीछे भी
So first come. First come, first winner.
एक और थैंक यू।
So let's for this third round. Anybody having a tattoo? How many? How many? It's like the maximum tattoos. 3, 2, 1. So he's the winner. Luke.
दर्शक टैटू बनाने की मशीन आ रही है।
एक बार वीडियो बनवा रहा हूँ, तब से फोटो नहीं खींचूंगा। वीडियो फोटो में खींच रहा हूँ।
Now this one is very interesting. Who is having a 1 rupee coin? Show.
मेरे पास चलेगा।
Whoever shows this person who is the winner. Please come on.
कितना भी कोशिश करेंगे, एक फोटो आया था ना, मजा नहीं छोड़ नहीं आएगा। कोई बात नहीं,
Anyone else is having a 1 rupee coin?
अरे 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 ब्रदर फोटो यार,
फोटो खिंचवा लो यार।
So the last round for this game. Who is winning the maximum number of rings?
0, 3,
More than 3? Who's with 4? Anybody more than 4?
2
More than 4? Please ma'am, come here.
चल। So the next game that we have got is called as किस्मत कितना है कम। The game is actually called as you fight with the jar. जार का है जार। जार में कुछ है, वो आपको ढूंढना है और उसके बाद आपको उसके हिसाब से कुछ करना है। So can you help there the jar? jar नहीं है। What? Where the plate? First of all, आप ले लो प्लेट जिसके पास आपका मन करे। मैं क्यों खिलाऊं? मैं नहीं खिलाऊंगा। Anyone? चलो सेजल ने कहा था डांस करेंगे। सेजल ने बताया। ये हुई ना वो applause for सेजल। So सेजल, you have to pick a slip. इसको कुछ लिखा होगा। Please hand over the mic to Sejan.
Dance.
Can we have some dance music, please? सार्थक, एक से तुम भी उठाओ भाई। आओ मालक। I request all other students also to join them as they dance over here. आजू जी ऊपर आ जाओ आप लोग। आ जाओ वाला क्या आया? डांस आ जाओ। So please hand over the mic to Sarthak.
वही तो मैम कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा है।
Sarthak come over here.
सर मैं रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ क्यों बेचारे बच्चों को बाहर भगा रहे हो? इनके लिए तो गाना चलाता हूँ।
Any song you would like to have? Go.
कोई भी गाने पे डांस करेंगे जो
आप गाना चलाओ या साथ में गाएं?
अरे मेरी I don't know how to dance. It's been 3 years.
That was your forte ना? तुम भांगड़ा करते थे सार्थक के साथ।
भांगड़ा?
Yeah.
You know भांगड़ा? Bhangra, I remember Sarthak did very good Bhangra.
Yes.
I'll come on. Come over here, be quick. Yeah, move on to Sarthak. Sarthak, what's in a slip?
It stays in slip.
That we call as singing or dancing. We just need to enjoy. Please put Bhangra songs. Everyone, be ready. अब आप लोग को मैं दोबारा से अपनी दो लाइनें सुनाता हूँ कि मैं भूल जाऊं तुम्हें अब यही मुनासिब है, मगर भूलना भी चाहूं तो किस तरह भूलूं कि तुम तो हकीकत हो कोई ख्वाब नहीं, भुला सका न। बाकी दो लाइनें बाद में। So, the next round of games that we have got is for next year. किसके लिए? The name of the coordinators over there, and I am not calling anyone by name. All the student coordinators who are here including us, please come on the stage. Subeda Pogli, Tuheen, Siddharth, Vandana, अक्षित अक्षत, जितने भी लोग हैं आप सब लोग जो नाम मुझे थोड़े से याद है, जब आप मेरे पूरे रिमेम्बरिंग द नेम्स, ऑल ऑफ यू कम ऑन द स्टेज प्लीज। बाकी लोग सोनी, शानू, कमलेश and all the student coordinators who have worked day and night really very hard to make this event successful. Please come over the stage to have a group photograph. Everyone, please come over the stage to have a group photograph.
सर आप भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए।
हाँ मैं भी था। Come on students, friends students, come on the stage, be quick.
बोल ले।
Friends students.
सर में चला जाओ।
शिवन, डेलिका,
क्या बोल रहे हो सर?
जल्दी करो भाई, इतनी देर नहीं, जल्दी। People sitting at registration desk, people handing a photo booth, etc. कृपया शीघ्र आए, शीघ्र।
सो ठीक है ना?
तू चले जाओ, मैं ले रहा हूँ।
Students have been a part and parcel of this critical team.
क्या तू ले लेगा? भाई जियो टैग ले लो। हाँ भाई तेरा जियो टैग ले लेंगे। तू ले रहा है? ले ले फिर पकड़ मैं जा रहा हूँ अरे ले तू जियो चल छोटा रहने मैं जियो डाल अभी मैं ले रहा हूँ छोटा तो वीडियो मैं फोटो ले रहा था तो चला जा तो जाना है
Party means two types of parties. First is all the students and faculty members are now invited for the lunch. After lunch, we will be having our jam session. So all the students can now proceed to the canteen area. Please do take care that you scan the codes and fill the feedback for the